3D printing has generally been used to prototype small objects, particularly mechanical objects. So today I'd like to show how 3D printing has been used to make really large objects like houses at a very low cost. Okay, enjoy the video.
So having strong, sturdy walls, having a door that we can close at night, it's something that we take for granted, being able to lock our door and be safe. For many of these families, for years, sometimes even a lifetime, they don't have that opportunity to have a safe shelter. So when they move into a new story community, when they move into a safe home, families' lives are transformed.
Our first product is a 3D printer that can print a house in 24 hours for half the cost. Phase 1 for News Story and for Icon is a proof of concept house, and the good news is we've done it. We printed the first home in the United States that's going to be permitted. And for us, this is just the beginning. The real kind of home run for us is to be able to do what we've done here in Austin, Texas, in the developing world, and we're doing that in what we call Phase 2, which is in El Salvador. We are going to be printing an entire village for people that don't have homes.